Hello, Miko's friends. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Okay, Miko's friends are ready to sleep? Yes? Then, can I ask you something? Did you forget to give good night kisses and hugs to your parents? I know. Miko's friends will not forget this. Okay. Miko is here now to tell a story. And I know you all are waiting for my story, right? Yes. This story talks about how greed can get people into bad situations. Greed? Have you heard this word before? No? Yes? Are you asking me to say that word again? Okay, greed. G-R-E-E-D. Through this story, we will see how greed can get people into bad situations. Oh, okay. Miko's friends want to know the meaning of greed, right? Okay, Miko will tell you one example. Miko has a friend and her name is Nano. One day, we both were playing in a ground. That time, her father came there and he gave us 2 chocolates each. 2 chocolates to me and 2 chocolates to Nano. But Nano cried. Why? She said, "Oh no, I want more chocolates." Friends, you tell me 2 chocolates are enough for her, no? But still, she was asking for more and more chocolates. Then, you know what I called her? I called her greedy girl. Why? She got 2 chocolates and that's enough for her, but still she was asking more and more chocolates. So that is called greed. Having or showing a selfish desire for more than is needed is called greed. Okay, so I hope Miko's friends learned a new word today. What is that word? Yes, greed. Can you spell that word with Miko? Okay, let us say G-R-E-E-D. Greed. What is the word? Greed. Very good. Now, Miko is going to start your story. Today, Miko is going to tell you a story about the hungry mouse. Once, there was a mouse. Mouse? Friends, do you know mouse? I can hear that. Mouse is rat? Oh, okay. Is mouse and rat the same? Both are look alike, but there are some differences. Yes. Do you want to know that? Okay. You know, mouse is small and rat is big. If both are in same age, okay, if both are in same age, then the mouse will look small, but the rat will look big. And mouse has large ears, but rat has small ears. And also, the mouse has a long, thin tail, but rat has thick tail, and that is also hairless. Okay, now you tell me, is mouse and rat the same? No, there are some differences, but both are look alike. Okay, this mouse that was starving and had not eaten in days. He was so hungry and he had grown really thin. Friends, what you will do when you feel hungry? Yes, you will go and eat food. This mouse was also searched food everywhere. After a lot of searching, mouse found a basket full of corn. The mouse became so happy. But how can he take that corn from the basket? See, do you remember that thirsty crow's story? After a lot of searching, that crow found some water, but he could not drink that. He used his idea so that he was able to drink. Like the same situation for mouse too. But this mouse walked around the basket. That time he found a tiny hole in the basket. I told you, no, he became very thin. So, through that tiny hole, he entered into the basket, through which he could just fit in. So, he crept into the basket and started to eat. He ate his fill of corn. However, he did not stop eating once he was full. The mouse ate more and more, even though he was feeling full. Now you remember that word? Greed? Yes, this mouse is greedy, right? Yes. Now, the mouse had grown larger from all that food. Then what happened? Something happened. Can you guess what's that? He could no longer fit through the hole to get out. I told you, no? He ate more and more, so he became fat. So he was not able to come out from the basket. He was worried and wondered, how to escape. He started to say, "Oh no, how can I go out? How can I get out from this basket?" He started to say this. That time, a rat was passing through, and that rat heard the mouse. The rat told to the mouse that he had to wait until he had grown thin again in order to get out through that hole. Oh, so sad, no? Unfortunately, this is the only way to get out through that hole. What is that way? He should not eat anything. Why? He wanted to become thin again. The mouse regretted being greedy and overeating. I told you, no? The mouse is greedy. Now what to do? You know what happened? The mouse started to starve now, but with loads of food to come out of the trap. Now he has lot of food in front of him, but also he can't eat anything because he wants to become thin to come out of the trap. Yes. So he became thin. After so long he became thin and he came out from the hole. Did you like this story? Yes. Okay. What did you understand from this story? Yes, exactly. What is that? Anything too much is good for nothing. Say with me, Ko. Anything too much is good for nothing. Very good. Miko's friends, now let us sleep. Are you all sleepy now? Yes. Oh, I can see that some of you were already slept. All of you close your eyes. Good night. Sweet dreams. Bye bye, my little butterflies.